Hi, I'm Kyle Krumloff, and you're watching CCC Trends. In this month's Trends Report, we're getting under the hood with vehicle scans and calibrations to see what's driving demand for more diagnostics. We'll also discuss some diagnostics best practices, including how repair facilities can avoid added costs and unnecessary supplement charges. First, some background. Cars have come a long way in a short period of time. Today, they're like smartphones on wheels, and many come standard equipped with safety technology and various ADAS features, especially late model and electric vehicles. But with the auto industry in the midst of a technology revolution, experts wonder whether the repair side is evolving in step. ADAS adoption may have ramped up in a relatively short period of time, but corresponding collision repair needs have been slow to catch up. As ADAS features become more commonplace, so have diagnostic scans. In 2017, only 3.3% of all claims included a scan. But in 2022, 65% of claims for vehicles under 4 years old included at least one scan. That's good news because scans give you information, but calibrations give you validation, and calibration frequency has yet to reach the same level as scans. In mid-2022, only 23.6% of newer model vehicles included a calibration charge on the estimate. Calibrations are, however, showing up more frequently in supplements. Part of the reason shops aren't conducting more calibrations can be chalked up to the lack of expertise, space, and specialized equipment required to complete them in-house, and outsourcing them can mean additional costs. By contrast, scan technology is more readily available and easier to use. The problem is that scans aren't always documented in estimates or supplements. So, how can repair shops carry out proper diagnostics to get cars back on the road safely, and without driving up repair costs and turnaround time? Well, we've got a few ideas. First, thoroughly review OEM repair procedures to identify calibration needs earlier on in the repair process. Second, include calibration line items up front, either in initial estimates or earlier in the supplement phase. Third, adopt in-process scanning to monitor the clearance or addition of diagnostic trouble codes. Number 4, document every scan to take credit for work and instill customer confidence that a repair was completed correctly and the vehicle is safe to drive. And lastly, be sure to upgrade technologies to ensure necessary scans and calibrations are completed 100% of the time and are recorded for all relevant parties, including the end customer. In a world where cars are essentially computers on wheels with roughly 1,400 semiconductors, diagnostic operations like scans and calibrations should not be the exception but the rule. Shops should consider adjusting technologies and processes to stay competitive and operate more efficiently and cost-effectively in the future of vehicle repair. For more information, visit cccis.com. I'm Kyle Krumloff. Thanks for joining.